Hello guys, this is Kavita. Welcome to my garden series. And for today's vlog, I have a very special video, which is my favorite video. And I know you are gonna really enjoy it too, which is the harvesting. So let's not wait too much and just get straight into harvesting our guavas. Let's go. Check it out. It is fully grown, perfect size, and you see the discoloration. So it is perfectly ripe and it's soft and it smells really good. Here you go. So it has, I like it, right? I mean, check it out, it has 2 years. That's funny looking, right? So this is the first one. Okay, so it's really hot right now, so we are really sweating bad, and I want to go ahead and quickly harvest this little guy over here. I hope you guys are able to see this one. So look at this guy, he is fully ready for the harvest, and he's so heavy that he's gonna fall anytime over there. And let me just go ahead and harvest here. So overripe and ready. There you go, check it out. Look at the size. It's perfect smelling. And there is one more who is over here, and I don't think I need to even cut it, because if I just hold it for a few more minutes, he's gonna drop off right away, just like the other guy. So check this out, guys. Here. You think he's ready? Yep. All right, let's go ahead and get him down. There you go. See, once these fruits are fully ready and ripe, they just really don't stay too much long on the tree anymore. So they just drop off. And I think we picked a perfect time. So here it is, one more. And I think those are the ones we have for today, which are like perfectly ripe. There are a few more that are coming up, probably another day or two. So I'm gonna let them stay there for a little more while so that they come the same perfect color. We harvested today our yummy sweet pink flesh, smells so good, guavas from our backyard. So I wanted to share this video with you, and I will go ahead and show you these. Here they are, perfectly ripe, and they are looking so beautiful. I mean, check this out. They are perfect size. I mean, can you see the size? I mean, like, this is pretty big, guys. This is like a pretty big, guys. And actually, this is a pink flesh guava. It is perfectly ripe. I mean, you can just, when I press it a little bit, I can feel the softness within. And you see the discoloration. It's between yellow and green kind of a shade. And they're so good. I had a Mickey Mouse guava too. You're wondering what if it is? You're wondering what it is, and this is what I'm talking about. So I know, right? It looks very much like a Mickey Mouse or a Minnie Mouse. So this is very much what happened was, when I was trying to get this big guy off the branch, these are so closely stuck to this, like you see, they're so closely stuck to it that these fall off along with this. So I was like, okay, I think my garden or my tree was also trying to have a little fun over here. So this is the outcome, and when trees and when plants and the garden has fun with me. See, this is their way of saying they're happy too. And I'll show you this one. This is like totally overripe. You can see that just by the color. I mean, this is like, look at this. This is like so yellowish. I mean, it has lost all the coloration. Check this out. So you can see, for a comparison, like the kind of over ripeness. Just see this, the ripeness and the color discoloration. So like you saw in the video, by the way, it was very hot, guys, outside, and I was sweating really bad. So I got these guys with me inside so we could just have a little chit chat. So I woke up to this morning to look at these guys, and I'm like, oh my God, these guys are so amazing. I mean, I'm so on cloud nine. So okay, so guys, this week's vlog is obviously, I wanted to share this happiness with you. Go ahead and share this video with a lot of people, and share this. I mean, tell me, guys, honestly, as soon as you looked at these guys in the video, tell me how much of happiness did you feel, like, oh wow, this is cool, right? I mean, look at this. I mean, look at this, guys. I mean, every person who tries to grow anything, you know, even if you're in an apartment, that's cool. I mean, just grab something. Even if you want to grow dhania, coriander, like little herbs in your apartment on your window, trust me, it will, that little teeny mini creature is going to give you immense happiness. It's gonna just brighten up your mind, and it's gonna make your day. These guys definitely made my day today. I'm gonna be wearing the smile throughout today. And you know, when people look at this smile, they will also smile and they will also have a bright day. So I want you guys to share this video with as many people as you can and brighten up their day, spread your positivity to them as well. So I mean, like, this was a total surprise, you know. I mean, I never thought this is a cute surprise, right? There you go, check it out. I know you guys are seeing that, you know, that proud feeling. I am definitely a proud owner of these. But you know, the way I look at it, it's more of a partnership, you know. It's partnership between you know, the tree or the plant and us. It's my partnership with them. It's the trust, it's the love, it's the care, it's the protection. It's taking care of them, you know, throughout their growth season from the beginning, trusting them that, you know, there are going to be so many obstacles. Oh, there by the way, there were a lot of birds who kind of didn't let a lot of the fruits come to the stage. So, you know, right? I mean, birds peck on them and then they ate all of it and left the whole thick flesh down there. So, and then, you know, we had few rains, and then we also have heavy winds over here. And then sometimes, you know, for some reason, there's, you know, the plant or the tree doesn't grow well. There's so many obstacles. But this partnership of me and this guy is quite strong, I think. And I think, you know, this fruit of the labor is the best feeling, right? So just like that, how, you know, when we put hard work into our things in our life, in our relationships, in our you know, in our work, in anything that really matters to us, something which is more important in our life. And when you get fruits like this, trust me, I mean, what else do you want in life? I mean, I can have everything in my life. I can dream of the biggest things or the greatest of things. And then I wake up and I see this guy and I get more happiness from this than anything else could ever give me in my life or in this world. So I think, you know, I also learned from this experience that little things matter a lot in life, a lot. These little things, you know, spending time in my garden, or, you know, taking care of the plants. And, you know, when you get these kind of fruits, which are like a testimony, you know, of all the love and the care you have given to them, it's, you know, it's a very, very different feeling. It means that, you know, I am running, and we all are running so hard, chasing our dreams, chasing our priorities, chasing a lot of wealth, and, you know, a lot of name and fame, and there's so many things going on. We're in constant, you know, juggling things. And when I look at these, you know, it's like a reminder that, you know, Kavita, you can get happiness in little things also. And the kind of happiness I am experiencing right now, you can already tell on my face. But guys, I really, you know, want you guys also to experience this happiness. And, you know, I really want you guys to feel, you know, that immense happiness you get from small things in life. You know, we often get these small things so unnoticed in our life that we don't really pay attention to these, while these little things, little happiness, are lying all around us, like, you know, right under my nose. But we just don't pay attention to it in our life because we are so busy chasing a lot of other things. I'm not saying we should not chase. I'm a big chaser. I'm a more of a go-getter kind of a person, and I'm sure you all have your own stuff too. But, you know, let's not miss this little happiness, you know, in the whole, you know, other race, that chase that's going on. I think, you know, these little things give that extra boost of positivity and happiness for us to chase the other bigger things. So we tend to undermine the little things in our life, the little happiness in our life. But I think this is a great reminder. And I thought you guys also should get to, you know, I mean, what better way to share this positivity with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this yummy. You know, it reminds me of guavas. I'm sure it'll remind all your childhood days, right? You remember those times when you were little kids and then you would, you know, get the guavas either in front of your schools or colleges, or, you know, share this with your friend, or not share it with anybody, just want to have it for yourself. And I remember from my childhood days, you know, we would cut slit and then you'd open it, and then I would put a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of salt, you know, and then, you know, we would enjoy it. It reminds me so many memories, you know, and that's what life is all about. You know, life is not, all more about the memories, the happy feelings, the happy moments. And look at the power in this gardening is that it instantly brought me back all those memories from my childhood. That is the power of this. It can take you, I just traveled my memories, my childhood memories, just in few seconds by just looking at this. So I think I'm just overwhelmed. I'm extremely joyous right now. And guys, don't keep happiness or positivity just to yourself. Share it. As much as I am loving this, sharing this happiness with you guys, this harvesting video with you guys, trust me, when you share it with others, these videos, this kind of a happiness, you're going to bring smile to somebody else's face too. You're going to share your bit of positivity to others. So that way, when I share it with you, my happiness grows. When you share it with others, your happiness also grows. So it's just, it's like, I have a little bit of thing and I can give it to you, and then you have something and you can give it to others. Trust me, today, whole day, I'm just going to be like this, and I'm going to enjoy these guys. So, all right. And then I will meet you again in another garden series video. Until then, ciao, and do take care. Be safe wherever you are. If you're a gardener like me, happy gardening. If you're not a gardener like me, try to get a little inspiration into some